my channel. My name is Sarah, and as you can see behind me, Christmas came early. Yay! So, our last fridge, let me back up, about a year ago, we had it leaking and me and Justin fixed it. That was a known defect with that refrigerator. If you Google it on YouTube, it's everywhere on how to fix it and what you need to do and blah, 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 blah. So we went ahead and fixed it in the middle of COVID. It started leaking again, so me and Justin fixed it again. And then in November, it started leaking again. So me and Justin decided that that was enough leaking. And then plus the ice machine on the old one was going out as well. So that was gonna cost some money. So I decided that we just needed to bite the bullet and get a new one. So when we went shopping, we had a lot of issues as far as COVID and supply and back orders and things like that. So this one happened to be in stock. It did take about a 2-week period for it to be delivered. When the guys came yesterday, they were like, oh, we have 18 more houses to go. When they were delivering, about 30 minutes before, they said, hey, we're on our way. So I emptied it out very quickly. I didn't get any film of that because I was trying to be quick about things. I didn't want to, delay them or anything. So I took everything out, and then when they left, I just threw everything in so that way it could start cooling. Today I want to go ahead and rearrange it and kind of like clean it up a little bit. Not that it's dirty or anything, I just threw everything back in the fridge, and so it's just kind of like all over the place. So I'm gonna try to get good angles and show you some organization on the refrigerator. So hopefully I can do that and get it. So let's try to organize. I also wanted to show you some settings. I'm going to be working on this for a minute, so I don't like the beeping with it. It just lets you know when the door is open. So I'm going to change that setting real quick. Door alarm, and then it says on, off. I'm just going to turn it off, so that way I can work on it and not have that in the background going ding, 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 ding.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.
got me at a low. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me
Anytime that you need a favor, call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you,
and you got me too. We can always make it through.
Then I wanted to talk to you about one more product that I found at TJ Maxx. So I've been in a love-hate relationship with cleaning products for the stainless steel. Sometimes I feel like they just leave like a lot of residue and you're always constantly cleaning them. I picked up this by chance. I was like, let me try it. It says it's magic. So I did. And when I first started applying it, I freaked out because it left like a film. And I was like, but the film dissolves and it leaves your stainless steel so clean. I got it at TJ Maxx, but you can also get it on Amazon already looked. So this was great for my stainless steel. And I feel like it just polishes them and makes them look so like brand new. So I would, and it's really nice. It's so nice. Like I cannot get over how well it cleans everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the new fridge a wipe down, and that's about it. Oh, it was $3.49 at TJ Maxx. I don't know how much it is on Amazon. Like I said, I haven't bought it.
You got me too. Got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too?
I don't know if you can see that film on camera, but it ends up dissolving. You see? It's like just disappearing.
I'm done talking. This time I might go out with my friends, and I don't want your sad blue eyes. You know everything about me, like I need my territory. So why are you still so needy? You're in over your head. My phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash